Now this is about the references. Again, we have already come across some of the texts that are under the analysis, some of them as primary source, some of them as secondary, and many other texts are already read and quoted in this. That is the list you get here. Just for 3 or 4 pages of writing, I have analyzed, I have chosen this much primary, secondary sources. Okay. So Achebe Chinua, Things Fall Apart. LED is the publisher and the book was published in 2011. That is the way you see. Achebe Chinua means Chinua Achebe, Things Fall Apart. As far as to the best of our knowledge, Things Fall Apart is a text that is based on some racial issues. And how does it become important in the mode of analyzing an educational novel? That is a question. But you can see that if you go through that text analysis. How I brought that. Peter Barry, Beginning Theory. Do you know the text? Do you know the text? Of course. And that is our usual text that we study. And Beginning Theory, I might have taken some of the ideas like humanities somewhere. You can see there. I don't remember. Actually, this was written it was published last year. No, not even last year. Okay. Then, Kahan Barry, editor, multiple personality disorder from the inside out. Just think about an educational novel based research going back to multiple personality disorder. That is a text exclusively centered upon discussing the psychological aspects, the authentic details of multiple personality disorder. And how does it become, how a person can take that as a part of her analysis for educational educational shift or paradigm shift in education. So this is possible. To show you this is possible, that means you should not, you may think that, oh, I am doing with the feminism, so I will not go in such any other text like, oh, racism, that is already shown to be racism, so how can I get something from that? No, that should not be your way of thinking. To say that, I get you all these examples. Invisible Man by Ralph Ellison. Ralph Ellison is the name of the person. So when you write down it as a reference, and then you just have to reverse the name order. If it is Ashwati Prashant, it becomes Prashant, Ashwati. Okay. And the name of the text. Then the name of the publisher. And then the name of the year of its publication. Every part you can see, at the end you can see the year. That is the year of its publication. Okay. Even Life of Pi. You just see Life of Pi, the text which you are going to study. Life of Pi is basically about drowning and survival of a human being. How did die? This is the way we can master in drawing the elements that we want for our base research. So, but this is about a crafting. You might have seen the crafting is really needed. How a sentence or how an idea that we feel somewhat attached with our basic notions. Like if I am a person who is advocating the paradigm shift in education, wherever something positive, wherever some person suffering on behalf of something, even if the novel doesn't have anything to do with the education, even if the character doesn't have anything to do with education or suffering related with that, we can connect. I think somewhere I have chosen the suffering that Pi undergoes, or some of these sentences from the novel. Like it's a very philosophical novel. I will teach you the novel, and again I have chosen that novel to for teaching as well for the semester. Okay, so what I want you to do is to go back to this paragraph. I have already sent you this research paper, and this is available online as well. It's already published by the main. See that research paper it is, so that is available online also. And then you see Nair, SR. Can you see that? The person whom we saw in the very beginning of our reference work citation, Nair, SR, means his name is actually SR Nair. So we reversed it. If it is Ashwati P, then it is given to be P Ashwati. Okay, so Nair SR, Foundations of Education. That means the text, every text is again here also it is given in italics. Colon, Philosophical and Social. PP Press. That means the name of the press, PP Press, comma, 1980 means the text was published in 1980. So you have just the reference of Nair SR there. And the number of the page number also was given to be 2. That is from this text which was published in 1980 titled Foundations of Education, Philosophical and Social. See, you cannot write all the whole title there and it will add very problematic length to your references there. So there is a problem with that. That also is referred in MLA handbook. Then there is chance that you people may go astray, like you may be leading, that may lead all your attention towards looking at the text and the author. See, just think about after every quote, you are giving all these details in the text analysis part itself. Then you may not be able to connect after the bracket. Once the bracket is closed again, you are continuing from that sentence. And it will be really difficult. So that these details we add to the later part, but the major detail, that is this person's text is the one that I referred there. Then you get SR, Nair, SR and the page number. That only, those very short details are only to be given in the in-textual analysis, but later as a reference or works cited list you can get all the details. Okay, and last but not least, Vogue, Patricia, editor. That's a very big text, literary theory and criticism. So that the editor, she's an editor, not the author. Different persons' essays are collected and edited by this woman. So if it is an edited text, we have to get it in this way. If it is a text which is single authored, Achebe Chinua, you can see there to be things fall apart without having any edited or anything. If it is a translated text, you have to mark it to be translation. If it is edited, then in this way. Ian Martel's Spy, it's a single authored text. Then you don't have to give it to be edited or anything. Okay, so this is, see again with Ryanagi Tetsugo Totochan. Totochan is the text name translated by Dorothy Britton. That means the text is actually in Japan. So no one of us is going to read it in Japanese language. Of course, we need the English translation, and it is done by Dorothy Britton. So if you are analyzing Malayalam translation, you have to give translated by that particular person. Okay, now analysis, we have to take only English text here. So this is the way works cited lists work out. Okay, hope you get an idea about the way your research writing goes. Do you? Have you got that? Now it is time for you to unmute.